I'm about to share with you something that might save your YouTube journey if you don't quit. See, one thing you need to understand is that YouTube is not easy. Anybody who comes out to tell you that, oh, I monetize my YouTube channel in just 1 month, in just 2 months, in just 3 months, it actually worked for them. But there are some channels that require a lot of time, most especially if you have no idea on how this whole platform performs. You see, YouTube is just like the minute you plant a seed. Once you plant a seed, you try your best to water it, you take care of it, and you try to watch it grow. And most of the times, you might be seeing it that nothing is happening. But what you don't understand is the underground work that is happening with the root of the seed. And then one day, boom, you come out and you see the same plant bringing out seed and bringing out fruit, and before you know it, you harvest it. This is literally how YouTube is, and I'm going to be sharing with you how one particular video changed every single thing for a lot of YouTubers out there, and most importantly for two creators that I know very well who are subscribed to my YouTube channel. So, hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to Life of Princess Chiamaka. And on this channel, we share every single thing that has to do with me, YouTube paycheck, my earnings, all the mistakes that I've made on YouTube, which I will not want you to make, and also some motivational growth tips that you need to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so actually, I made a post on my community home tab as usual, encouraging every small creators out there, because I know how difficult this platform is. YouTube is very, very hard. Like, it's very, very hard, if I can be honest with you. And it takes grace, it takes patience, it takes consistency in order for you to grow here. Even when you get monetized, when the cash starts coming into your account, if you don't still put out hard work, if you don't still put out consistency, you are going to make nothing. Like, when I mean nothing, you're going to make nothing of this platform. Okay, yeah. So I made that post and I got two comments that actually spoke to my heart very well, because this is exactly how the platform is. And if we're going to be honest with ourselves, most of us uploaded videos for months, for years, but just one unplanned video out of nowhere just picks up, and our channel start gathering the momentum. That is one sweet thing I love about YouTube. Okay, so let me quickly share the two important comments, then I'll be giving you a very secret tip that you need to start applying on your YouTube videos and on your channel. Okay, so the very first comment I got was this particular creator. I even know her very, very well. Aside this whole YouTube space, I know her very well. Okay, so she said, after many months of having low views, one single video got my channel monetized. Never give up. And if you go over to check her channel, you can be able to see the performance, how she struggled to come up with all these stories, but the views were not just coming. There was a time that I even had to encourage her to just keep doing her thing. And boom, out of nowhere, this video that she did not expect blew up and got her channel monetized. So this is a sign that whatever thing you're doing with your 100 views, 200 views, just keep doing it. Keep doing it. You may never know, something bigger is coming at the front. Okay, yeah. So the second creator also commented something like, I was ready to quit at the start of this month. I was frustrated, tired, and not even seeing enough results. But then I decided to keep going, and suddenly one of my videos shot up to over 54,000 views, and my subscribers jumped from 139 subscribers to almost 600. And guys, when I went over to her channel, I saw that this lady is constantly uploading videos, but she was not getting the visibility. But this video out of nowhere just blew up and announced her channel. And also, if you have been a follower of this my whole YouTube journey and channels, starting from my main channel from day one, you also discover that it was some viral videos that actually brought me to limelight. There are a lot of creators out there which this particular thing has helped. So this is to tell you that keep doing what you are doing. The algorithm sees you. You might not know, a lot of big YouTubers out there, they are actually watching you. Just about few days ago, I was checking my subscriber list. That is people that subscribe to this my channel and my main channel. I was seeing 10 million subscribers. Channels that have 10 million subscribers were subscribed to my channel. Channels that have over 2 million 800k, and I was like, who am I? So does it mean that, imagine my channel with 3,000 subscribers, imagine those kind of big channels subscribed to you? Because for somebody to subscribe to you is not an accident or maybe a coincidence. They actually watched one video and they actually loved what you're doing. So this is a sign that there are a lot of people seeing you. It's just that your video, or you have not been able to hit that one spot, that one viral. And the minute you hit it, it literally changed the interface of your channel. So what do you have to do? Keep creating. Don't give up. Don't give up. And if you don't give up, you'll be glad you never did. Because I am one kind of person that I have always wanted to quit this whole YouTube thing. YouTube dealt with me. I don't think that YouTube has dealt with anybody compared to how it dealt with me. Because at some point, I was almost developing high blood pressure because of the heartbreak. YouTube gave me a lot of heartbreak. Yeah, so don't think that maybe you are alone. You just have to keep doing that thing, and before you know it, one video will just catapult you. One video will just blow you up in a way that you never expected it. And yes, if you're out there, you are always feeling invisible, like you're not getting that views you want to get on your channel, and you are always comparing yourself to bigger channel. One thing you need to understand is that those big channels you see, they also started somewhere. There is no how you should be comparing your growth of maybe 6 months or 1 year to somebody that has been here for 6 years or for like even 3 or 4 years. It simply means that you just need to just put in a lot more work. You may never know. Maybe after watching this video, you come back and say, "Oh, princess, I finally did it. I finally got that one video that announced my channel." So just try your best to stay consistent, stay motivated, and remember that it takes one video, one upload, or even 2 to 3 upload to announce your channel. And if this video speaks to you in any way, please do well to like this video if you've not done so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to always come and meet these kind of videos to keep you going. Okay, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that I can get to a lot of other creators out there. So if there is any video out there you want me to make on, kindly request it in the comment section. Or if you are interested in how much does YouTube actually pay, then also do well to drop it in the comment. And these are some videos that you can also watch to keep you going on YouTube here. Okay, so thank you for watching once again, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.